Hi, I'm Rosie Batista with iCookNaked, and what I'm going to show you today is how to make a cucumber dip and a cucumber sauce using very simple naked ingredients, which means food in its most natural form, which means that it's so much easier to do and so much easier to shop for, because as long as it doesn't have a label, you can eat it. I've already taken the skin off my cucumbers, and I'm going to slice them down the middle, and I'm going to take out the seeds. So I have a little demi-tasse spoon that I like, and I'm just going to scoop out the seeds down the center. Nothing wrong with them, it's just that they have a lot of liquid, and for our sauces and dips, it's just better to take them out. And then I'm going to take my handy-dandy chopper, and I'm just going to press down lightly, and then I have cucumbers that are all chopped up same size. Take our chopped cucumbers. We're going to add 2 cloves of roasted mashed garlic, some chopped up fresh dill, 1 cup of Greek yogurt. I'm using the 0% fat, and I'm also using a brand that really has very minimal ingredients in it. And then I'm taking the juice from a fresh lemon, and I'm squeezing that in. So gently with the fork, I'm just going to mix all of this together. There's another way you can do this, is you can also make your cucumbers a little bit smaller. But I chose to leave it really chunky, and you can serve this as a dip with some toasted tortilla bread, or you can serve it as on the side of some chicken or on top of a salad. Dips. We have a 1/4 cup of sesame seeds. That's going to add a healthy fat to this amazing sauce. We're going to add our cucumbers. We're going to leave the seeds in because we don't care. We're going to get the liquid. It's going to be all mushed together. I'm going to add 2 pitted dates and the juice of half of a fresh lemon. Have a little bit of almond milk. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of almond milk to that. And we're going to blend that all together for our cucumber sauce. Okay, so here I am with dips and sauces made with cucumber. I am Rosie Batista, and I cook naked. Ciao for now, while I chow on this.